Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to McConaughey Stadium for tonight's NCAA Division III Ohio Athletic Conference Contest featuring the Marietta College Pioneers and your Muskegon University Fighting Muskies. For your Fighting Muskies, playing midfield from Lancaster, Ohio, number 2, Caitlin Poston. Playing forward from Groveport, Ohio, number 4, Mackenzie Coburn. Playing midfield from Grove City, Ohio, number 5, Megan Carlisle. Playing midfield from Lancaster, Ohio, number 13, Raven Francis. Playing defender from Amsterdam, Ohio, number 14, Carissa Myler. Playing forward from Broadview Heights, Ohio, number 17, Noelle Kleppel. Playing forward from Norwayne, Ohio, number 19, Lauren Hamble. Playing defender from Granville, Ohio, number 21, Becca Engert. Playing midfield from Boardman, Ohio, number 23, Haley Dickey. Playing defender from Coshocton, Ohio, number 33, Caitlin Matz. And starting between the pipes for the Muskies from Geneva, Ohio, number 0, Sarah Poling. Coaching for Marietta is Elke Reesdorf, and she's assisted by Kaylee Herring. Muskegon is coached by Mary Beth Caudill, and she's assisted by Katie Roma and Sam Given.
Go!
I think it got rained. No, they do it right over there. It got rained out last year, though. I'm pretty sure.
17 header. That is a 10. 23 got it.
23 out of the assist, either Noel or...
Muskegon goal by number 23, Haley Dickey.